Advocate Msholo Magala bona se le phuthuleile. Se lo phuthuleha phela ho. What do you mean you want to consult with the witness during cross-examination? How can you consult with the witness during a cross-examination? And what do you mean you can distinct between two matters and still have a discussion with the witness? It's not going to work. And learning that Advocate Mshololo is actually the reason, or is the one that brought this witness, because this witness is also testifying in a different case for Miss Mshololo as a defense witness. So this is something that Mshololo is very much used to. It's quite shocking, quite frankly, because this witness is a witness for accused number 2. Hasn't said much about accused number 2 apart from denying even knowing him. He has quite a bit to say about accused number 5. So I don't know why he was not brought for accused number 5. Because when it comes to accused number 2's case, not assisting at all. But he was called. Why? We don't know. We don't know. We don't know, Miss Mshololo. Why? Anyway, I hope this witness is going to be able to come back today, because Ms. Mshololo has said that on Wednesday, the witness had to go back to Nongoma and testify. Is it Newcastle? I'm not sure where. But in KZN, he must go back because he needs to continue. I mean, he needs to start testifying. Hopefully, he is back today. And Judge Rata said that because he is more senior than the judge that's currently seeing to Mshololo's case, he will have to come today and testify in Wanagokhaya. Yeah, it seems like the defense have bitten off more than they can actually chew, because this witness was supposed to be an in and out. But Sibanda said, sit down, relax. I have places to take you. I have confirmations I need from you, Wanagokhaya. And he got them. All of them. I'm not sure what else Mr. Sibanda still wants to say to this witness or ask him about, apart from the statement. And that's Rata, please accept it. We are done. We are finished. Let's move on to accused number 3. Did you guys hear that accused number 3 says he's not ready? Hey? Oh, we're moving on to recess. We're going to move on to recess and wait for number 3. Have a lovely Friday. Hopefully we'll have a court sitting today for more than 15 minutes.